Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off auto screen rotation in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First of all, open any app in your phone. Here I open Google Chrome. When I try to rotate my phone, see here what happens. Screen is also rotated. If you would like to stop this rotation, go to the notification area, swipe down and you will find auto rotate option. Just click it and now auto rotate is changed to portrait. That means your screen is fixed in portrait position itself and now you cannot rotate from portrait to landscape. If you rotate your phone now, screen will not be rotated from portrait to landscape because it is fixed in portrait. Okay, if you want to have the rotation, again you go to swipe down from the notification area and click on portrait. It will change to auto rotate. Now screen can be rotated. See here, screen is rotated. If you want to fix the screen in landscape itself, here itself you got to keep the phone in landscape, then you can turn off auto rotate. Okay, now click on auto rotate. It will change to landscape. Now you cannot rotate your screen from landscape to portrait. Okay, even though if you rotate your phone to portrait, screen is not rotated. So in this way you can easily turn off auto screen rotation and customize auto screen rotation as per your wish in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.